Hello and welcome. To solve this question, okay, now the first thing I'll do is to take ln of both sides. That is, take ln, take ln of both sides. I can also take log of both sides. It's the same thing. Okay, so we have, when we take ln of both sides, okay, this will be ln 7 raised to the power of x plus 8 equals to ln 8 raised to the power of x plus 7. Okay, so now I can apply power rule for logarithms. That is the statement that log to base a of p raised to the power of n. This will be equals to n log to base a of p. So which means ln 7 raised to the power of x plus 8, okay, which is equals to ln 8 raised to the power of x plus 7. This will be x plus 8, okay, parenthesis x plus 8 ln 7 equals to parenthesis x plus 7 ln 8. Okay, now I'm going to expand this parenthesis so that this will be x ln 7 plus 8 ln 7. And I'll do the same thing here. That is, I'm going to distribute ln 8 into this. So this will be x ln 8 plus 7 ln 8. Okay, so now I'm going to group the x terms, that is combine like terms. So combining like terms, this will be x ln 7 minus x ln 8 equals to 7 ln 8 minus 8 ln 7. Okay, so now x is a common factor in this case. So this will be x into ln 7 minus ln 8, and this will be equals to, so we have 7 ln 8 minus 8 ln 7. So now I can divide both sides by ln 7 minus ln 8 to get the value of x. Okay, so divide both sides by ln 7 minus ln 8, and that will be x ln 7 minus ln 8 equals to 7 ln 8 minus 8 ln 7. So I'm going to divide both sides by ln 7 minus ln 8. This is ln 7 divided by ln 7 minus ln 8, so that x will be equals to 7 ln 8 minus 8 ln 7 over ln 7 minus ln 8. So this is the value of x to satisfy the given equation. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.